In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Android system keeps stopping. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this error is most likely caused by Android 16 system call or corrupted Google Play Services update. So what you want to do is the force fix. So go over to your settings application and then go to the top right and then just click your settings wheel cog icon. It's going to look like this. Then go all the way to the bottom and you should see apps as one of the options and then go to see all apps. Now search for Android System Intelligence, which is going to be right here in my instance. Go ahead and click on it, scroll down, and you're going to see storage as one of the options. Now, once you go ahead and click on that, you're going to see clear cache. If there is any cache, go ahead and clear it, then restart your device immediately, and that should definitely help. Now, what you want to also do is go over to your settings again, and then go over and find software update. Then just download and install the latest update, and this is going to fix any issues that any system level crashes that you might be having as well. Now, the final thing I want you to do is go back to apps and then go over to Google Play Services. So of course, just go over to G and find Google Play Services very specifically. Then once you're in that, go over to storage and cache again, and then clear cache over here, and then everything should be working fine. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.